What's up, guys? I figured there was no better time than now to actually do this video. So we've talked about a couple different income streams that you guys can use online, and there's another income stream too that I want to also go over in this video. Some of you guys might know it and some of you guys might not, but obviously the point of these videos is to provide information for you guys so you guys could earn some extra income online. Right now I'm just headed towards the store. I need to grab me a Red Bull because I'm trying to get some wings anyways. So yeah, the main thing is, okay, so the two places that I think that you guys should apply for to make extra income online, or just generate extra income online, is Letgo, and also Letgo is one, and also OfferUp is the second. So OfferUp and Letgo are obviously, they are two apps that help you sell and buy stuff online. And I think this is a great way for you guys to use. Well, I think this is a great different avenue for you guys to also go ahead and help generate some extra income online as well too. So OfferUp and Letgo. If you guys don't know how it works, generally, if you have any type of items that you might be wanting to resell in a local market space, it's kind of very similar to Craigslist, but it seems like it's doing what Craigslist never did as far as making the transaction a lot faster. So OfferUp and Letgo is two new platforms that I think you guys should go ahead and try out. Now that's going to be everything for this video right now. As always, I am going to try to obviously give you guys more video. And also OfferUp and Letgo is two platforms I've used before as well too. They work great. So that's something I would suggest you guys try as well too. Now, like as always, if there's anything else, all this noise, sorry guys. Also, if there's anything else that you guys want me to talk about, any other platform that you guys might know that I might not have went over doing these videos, let me know. So we went over, just kind of recall some of the places that we've went over. We've done eBay, Amazon. We have eBay, Amazon. We have Uber and Lyft. We have Upwork. We have Fiverr, and we also now have Letgo and OfferUp. So that should be about 6 different places that you guys can also use to make extra income online and give you guys flexibility to live your best life and have financial freedom. That's what this channel is about. It's about motivating you guys, letting you guys know some of the information that I'm finding out, and if there's any information that you guys want me to elaborate on, then also let me know as well too. Okay, so that'll be everything for this video. You guys have a good rest of your day. Take care and bye. See you guys in the next video.